What is up, guys? Welcome back to another ranking tier list thing. I'm going to be doing NFL starting running backs going into the 2019 season. I'm so excited for football. I just want it back. Let's start. So first off, we have Kerryon Johnson. I don't think we got enough of him to really see how good he will be. He did get hurt. He was killing, so I'm going to put him at average. That's where I'm going to start him. Saquon Barkley, I'm going to put him at great. And the other reason I'm not putting him at as elite, because he had 1 year. We could completely suck the rest of his career and just have that great rookie year. So I'm going to put him at great because he's great, but he's really not elite yet. Shady McCoy, he used to be so good, and now he's starting to not be that good, so I'm going to put him same at average. Lamar, why can't I think of his name? Lamar, I think it's Lamar. Crap. Oh, crap. I always know his name. Oh, crap. What's his name? Is it Lamar? Lamar Miller, yeah. Yeah, he's average. I think, he can easily get replaced. He's pretty good, I guess. But it's an easy replacement. Someone who's a little bit better could take him. Christian McCaffrey, I'm going to put him at great, too. I really don't think he's elite. People are going to be mad at me, but if I'm saying elite, I'm talking, really, really good, so. Melvin Gordon, I'm going to put him at, actually, yeah, Christian McCaffrey might be elite, okay, I'm sorry. Melvin Gordon, he's not as good as Saquon, easy, but he's still great, he's one of the most dynamic running backs in the league, he's a dominant player, he's good. This is either Jerick McKinnon or Matt. That's McKinnon. Crap, guys, sorry. Jerick McKinnon. Yeah, that's McKinnon. McKinnon is a average running back. Average running back. He's really nothing crazy. He was pretty good on the. He's really. I'm talking right now, okay? So he might have been elite when he was on the Vikings and stuff. He's still great. I'm gonna put him at good. I don't think he deserves average, or he might deserve great, but nah. David Johnson, great. I have no explanation. Philip Lindsay, personally my favorite running back in the whole NFL. Huge Broncos fan. You want to see? Let's have this Broncos. Yeah. So yeah, Philip Lindsay, my favorite running back in the league. I'm gonna put him at good. I think he's better than Kerryon Johnson. I think he's better than Shady. I think he's better than Jerick. I think he's better than Lamar Miller. But I haven't seen enough of him. He's a rookie, so. Okay. Who is this? Who in the heck? Oh my god, I have to go looking up again. Is that Miles Sanders? No. That's Jordan Howard, isn't it? I'm gonna say it's Jordan Howard, okay? I'm gonna say it's Jordan Howard. What happened? Why am I even down here? What am I doing? Let's just say this is Jordan Howard. I'm gonna put him at average. He's good. He can run the ball. He's great, but he's better than the Bears thought he was. I think. Zeke, best running back in the league. That's my opinion. Best running back in the league. I don't know. Aaron Jones, I'm gonna put him at good. He's one of the most underrated running backs in the league. Really, if you really watch him play, he's really good. He can run the ball really good. And another thing with running backs, they just can't just be good at running. They have to be able to catch and block and everything. Leonard Fournette, he's good, I guess. He just got arrested, which was quite a bit ago, but I don't know. Yeah, I really don't think he was as good as he was supposed to be, or he could be better, maybe. Is this Peyton Barber? Pretty sure this is Peyton Barber. If it is, worst running back in the league. They need a running back. I think they should go after Jay Ajayi. Todd Gurley, one of the best running backs in the whole NFL in the top 5. That's debatable. I think Zeke's better, though. He might be the second or first, third. It depends what you think. Mark Ingram, I think he's just good. He didn't really do anything to be great because him and Alvin Kamara switched and stuff, but he's just good. Nick Chubb is going to be in the same spot right there. We haven't seen enough of him to play. I don't personally think he's better than Philip Lindsay. I don't think he's better than. Actually, I do. Never mind. I was gonna say I don't think he's better than what's his face, Mark Ingram, but I do think he is. Don't at me. Average, Damian Williams. Watching him play a lot. I did watch him play a lot because the Broncos. Always gotta watch those division games, and we always play them. So you always see him play. The other team, of course. So yeah, I just see him play. He can catch the ball good in the backfield. I mean, I do like him, but he's a Chief, so. That's okay. I'm gonna put in order of what I think. There. Le'Veon Bell, obviously, before he took his year break, he was the best running back in football. So I can't not put him at elite. I mean, he was the best running back in football. There's no doubt. Debate. I think Marshawn Lynch right now, he just retired, but he's in the way bottom. James Conner, he's in the great tier. I mean, he had 1 year. He's played 2 years. He did get injured, but he was killing it. He was killing it, and then he got injured. So I do think, and I think Joe Mixon's there too with him, and the same thing with him. I don't think he got injured though. Chris Carson is great. Actually, he's good. He's better than almost all of these guys. This is a debate right here. Philip Lindsay and Chris Carson. That could be a good debate. Who's better between them? But Chris Carson's really underrated, and he's a beast. Devontae Freeman's great. If he comes back healthy, which he is, and he can play like he usually does, I'm putting him up here. But right now, great. Kenyon Drake, I'm putting him at the good tier. He's good. That's all I have to say. He's not horrible. He's not bad. He's better than average. He's better than average. Let's just say that. Marlon Mack, I'm gonna put him at average. I mean, I'm not a big fan. I don't think he's that good, personally. But a lot of people think otherwise. So yeah. Yeah, Sonny Michel, he's different because the Patriots like to switch out all their running backs. They'll use him for different things. I think James White is better than Michel, but if I'm putting Sonny there, I'm gonna put him at good too. I think he's better than almost all these guys. Not Lindsay, not Carson, but I think he's better than everyone else. I'll say that. Super Bowl champion, yeah. He did do good in the Super Bowl too. Dalvin Cook, I think he's decent at best. I think he's all the way down. He sucks. I mean, I'm a big fan of him, right? I'm a big fan of him. I like him. He's just really not that good. Yeah. Sorry if you're watching this. I mean, my parents met his family and stuff, but he can be better. I think he's or Alvin Kamara is at the way top. He's so good. He can do anything. He can catch. He can run out routes like receivers do. He can kick return. He can punt return. He's literally so versatile. He can do anything. That's why he's such a great player, and that's why he's all the way at elite. Derrick Henry is going to be at good because did you see that game against the Jaguars? I mean, that literally just boosted him. And he has the highest rushing yards in high school history. He was a Heisman. He's just such a beast, and he's like bigger than everyone on the field pretty much. That's mainly why he's such a great running back. Tariq Cohen I'm going to put him there. He's just like Alvin Kamara, just not as good. He can do anything. He can catch, he can return. He's literally a joystick. He can juke, It's just not as good as Kamara, of course. So yeah, this is my list right here. I hope you do agree with some of them. Tell me which ones you don't agree with. And yeah, bye.